relax it, drop the head. Relax it, drop the head. Toes down for me. So good, and open up and close. So I'm just going to be focusing right on the muscle work right on this left side, okay? Let's go ahead. Close. Go ahead. Close. Let me know if it's too tender or painful for you, okay? A lot of popping and clicking on that left side. Any painful as we do this? Yeah. And go ahead. Close. And go ahead. Close. Go ahead. Close. Go up. Close. Open up. Close. Open up. Close. Open up. Close. Open up. That's good. And open up. And close. And open up. Close. And open up. Close. And open up. Close. And if you feel any pain as they come up towards the top here, okay? So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in, all the way out.
Holy cow.
One more time, all the way out. And one more time. Very good. Deep breath in for me. All the way out. Very nice. Other side, please. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. And your back facing up. And you go ahead and point your toes down for me.
That was not what I expected it to feel like.
And now you just dip the head right into my hand.
This is my least favorite one.
Okay, just relax that shoulder. Adjustments are nice and smooth, so just relax it, drop the head.
Oh yeah, so smooth.
And same thing here, dip into my hand. Just relax that shoulder. And just relax it, drop the head. Very good. That wasn't too bad, right?